I know that. Let's tell him.
Oh, the little boy came out. That little boy scares me. You know, he's scary. Yeah. You should see him when he's not moving.
There's light in the dark. It lies in your heart. Just believe and you'll find your way home. There's nothing to be scared of here. Trust in Mother Nature. Like a flower you can soar when you know what you're looking for. There's nothing to be scared of.
Yep, everything will be just
You
fine.
stop.
Look out for that creeping boy.
Well, that certainly instilled the man with confidence.
Alright, here, use this one, man.
This is great. So sing along and celebrate.
Ignore that cougar. He just ate.
You do realize you're not helping.
Sorry.
Again, please. There's nothing to be scared of here. Trust in Mother Nature. Like that flower you can soar when you know what you're looking for. Come on out of your cocoon. And did somebody call for a raccoon? Just as we were starting to make progress. Well, it's yes, me. One more time, Brother Moose. There's nothing to be scared of here. Just be brave and daring. Let go of your fear. In your heart you will hear. There's nothing to be scared of.
He's out there on the ground.
Just listen to the great wolf's howl.
He's out there on the ground.
Up and down and up and down.
I think we're going to have to try something different. Now let's see, what could we try? I know, we could build them a nest.
How about if we ask for yellow feathers, then?
Not now, Moose. I'm trying to concentrate. I wonder if he's going to make the world. Silence! How am I supposed to think with all this noise? Wait a second. I've got it. We'll ask for Yellow Feather's help. Really? But how to summon her? And way ahead here. Allow me. Yellow Feather!
Did someone call my name?
Hello, my dear. We were hoping you could help us. You see, this man seems to have lost his way.
You might even say he's done.
Hello, I'm Yellowfeather. What's your name?
I'm Simon, and I'm lost, cold, a little scared.
A little scared? In a beautiful forest like this?
What are you afraid of, Simon?
Yeah. What are all the good and happy things in nature, filled with bad and scary things too?
Winter, springtime, summer, fall, share the blessings of them all, and rejoice in the great wolf's call. When you hear him say, seasons gentle, seasons harsh, nature's wonders can be found, rare in mountains, woods, and marsh, in the skies and on the ground.
Earthquake, hurricane, snowstorms, lightning, heavy rain. Pardon me if I complain. They all give me a fright. When I'm lost and all alone, when the winds begin to blow, the only home I've known, arms are around me tight.
Seasons gentle, seasons harsh, nature's wonders can be found. Mary's mountains, woods, and marsh. Mother Earth is all around. nature's heartbeat. Shh. Do you hear? It's all around us. Listen. Hear that heartbeat beating, beating in your chest. It will seem to grant me ignorance in all the rest. Who is the flowing wind that's whipping at the heart? Swaying along on a chord, the rhythm of your womb. Let me butterfly, dancing up the beat, the twinkling stars above, beating harmony. The fading of the sacred drum.
The flapping of my wings.
Pounding of a mighty blues.
It's the song that nature sings. Can you hear it, Simon? Can you hear nature's heartbeat?
Yes, I hear it. Why does it have to be so noisy?
Noisy? What do you mean?
Oh, why would someone tell me why does thunder have to roar?
Perhaps you'd like it better to be called a downpour.
Then why you gotta tell me why do waves dash on the shore?
Oh, why don't you ask her? I never saw a wave before.
Why can someone tell me why? Why do fish swim in the sea and grow big fishy hairs?
If they swam among the clouds, you'd have to call them bags.
What tree made out of wood? Answer me that one.
If we were made of chocolate bars, we'd melt beneath the sun.
Why does the great book have to howl? The sound makes me so nervous.
We listen for the great wolf to protect us and preserve us.
Why? Everybody say why?
Why?
Is it blue in the sky?
Why?
Do the birds fly so high? I can't wait to find out.
Why? There's nothing to be scared of here. Trust in Mother Nature. Like an owl you can soar when you know what you're looking for.
There's nothing to be scared of. Listen to Great Wolf's howl with an open heart, mind, and spirit, and it will always lead you back to the ones you love.
Guess what? I'm not afraid at all. Our family's cabin, it worked. There's someone who I'm not afraid anymore. Friends are here, there's no need to fear. I look around me, this place is great. So sing along and celebrate.
There's nothing to be scared